Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Finding the tangent slope for this square root function is fast. We will differentiate, plug in our value, and find the correct answer now. First, we need the derivative of the function. Using the power rule and chain rule, the derivative of the square root of 4x plus 1 is 2 divided by that root. Now we just substitute 6 for x into our derivative formula. This gives us 4 times 6 plus 1 under the radical, which simplifies down to the square root of 25. The square root of 25 is 5, so our final slope is 2 over 5. Option C is correct. You nailed this calculus problem. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to prevent sign errors. Always trust the given values and check your steps.